Difference between academic writing and creative writing. Academic writing is all about facts, data, and analysis. It's structured, objective, and follows strict conventions. This style is typically used in scholarly works and research papers. On the contrary, creative writing is about emotions, imagination, and personal expression. It's versatile, subjective, and defined by its artistic qualities. Novels, poems, and short stories are all examples of this style. In academic writing, clarity and precision are key. It's a formal way of communicating complex ideas and theories. Creative writing, however, encourages the use of figurative language and narrative techniques. It's an art form that brings stories to life. So, whether you're writing a research paper or a novel, remember, different styles serve different purposes.